Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, I was doing one connection, I can say connection with MongoDB, and which I was doing locally guys in my operating system. So that time I got error guys. Okay, so you can see guys, I was getting this error, that is MongoDB connect error, Mongoose service selection error, connection refusal. Okay, it was not connecting with my this MongoDB guys. Okay, this is my Compass I have used here, so it was not connecting with that, so I was getting the error guys. Okay, so I have spent lot of time guys for this, to solve this error. Okay, but I forgot to record that video, the solving and all, but I'll tell the solution guys. Whatever the solution I tried and which is not work and which is work, that I'll tell you guys. Okay, so which will save your time. Okay, but I have copied this error that time while solving, so I'm showing you guys this. Okay, so here it was not connecting with my MongoDB, and you can see guys, here is my API file. You can see here, you can see that this is my API file and this is my .env file. You can see this is my .env file. So I was connecting with that with my database guys. Okay, which is this database. Okay, but I was getting the error. Okay, so to solve this, what I had tried guys, first what I have done, first I have went here and I checked the just services. Okay, so you will get this services guys by either opening from here, or you can type windows r, or you can type the services.msc. Okay, but this is not working here guys. Okay, so directly I opened from here guys. From here also you can open like services. Okay, just open this. So after opening you will get like this guys. Okay, so here two are there. Okay, so one I'll close, one I'll keep. Okay, both are closed. Okay, so I'll open once again. So you can see guys, you need to open this, and here you need to check whether MongoDB is there or not. If it is there, it is installed. You can you will get other. If it is not there, then it is not installed properly. If you have installed also but it is not installed properly, like that you need to think. Okay, so when you go here, there is LM in M section, you need to search guys. So here you can see guys, there is a MongoDB. Okay, so try to start from here first and check guys whether it will work or not. Okay, just click here, just click, means here I'm getting MongoDB means it is installed, but sometime what will happen guys, here it will show but it will not start from here. Suppose if I do here and if I start, it will start, but it was giving me error like it is not able to install locally, like that I was getting error guys. Okay, I have solved that, so it is working now, but I was getting when I started now, that time I was getting locally we can't start like that. Okay, so I tried this solution also, this is also not work guys. Okay, so once again I uninstall and again I have installed a MongoDB guys, that is also not worked guys. Okay, for me. Okay, so later what I have done guys, after the searching and all, after spending lot of time, later what I have done guys, so what you need to do guys, just you go what I'll do, I'll go here. Okay, just go in C drive guys. Okay, open from here, Windows on. Why it is not opening? Okay, so in C drive, what you need to do, guys? In C drive, here you need to create one file, that is just open here, and here you create one file, guys. The file name should be it should be data. Okay, here it should be data. In that, you need to create one more file. That name should be I'm not remembering that, but I have here given. Okay, data, then there should be in db guys. Okay, so here you need to create one more, the name should be db. Okay, just create this guys, just create only blank, you need to create data, and here there should be db, just this you do and leave it. Okay, then after that what you need to do, after that you need to go in program files where MongoDB has installed. Okay, just open it, then go here in MongoDB, then go in services, then 8.0, then we want bin folder. Okay, this is here, it is bin folder guys. Okay, but we want not bin, okay, bin then mongo.exe. Okay, so bin is there, so we are in bin, then here you can see guys, there is an mongo.exe file. Okay, so here is an application file. Okay, so just what you need to do, okay, just copy this path. After this path, what you add, after this path you add this, guys, that is MongoD.exe. Okay, and there should be double quote, guys. You need to take this all the double quotes also. Okay, then after that you type this, guys, that is dash dash path, and this is full uh, line you need to copy, guys, including double quotes. Okay, including double quotes you need to copy. Just copy it, and what you need to do, guys, just open your command prompt and open this with run as administrator, guys. Okay, you need to do run as administrator, you should be here. Then after that, click here, copy that code, click here, where it is. Okay, just copy it and paste it here and make it run, guys. Just enter and use leave it, enter and leave it, will install some files and all. Okay, after installation you can start your MongoDB, guys. It will connect easily. Okay, so from here also it was not connecting, guys. It was here also it was giving error like here, not able to connect and all. Okay, so what you can do, just do whatever the steps I told. After this, enter, you do enter, because I have already installed, so I was not doing it. Just enter, it will install some files. Then after that, if it is open also, no problem, because it will take time, guys. When it will start installing, it will take more time, so let it be, keep side only, opening, in opening form only, keep it side. It will install in inside, by default it will install. Okay, and you can start your work, you can connect and you can start your work, guys. Okay, like that you can do. Okay, so this is the solution, guys. Otherwise the app will get scratch again, you need to install and install, that it will take a lot of time, guys. Okay, so just try this solution, it will work, guys. Okay, suppose if then also if it is not working, but definitely it will work, guys. Whatever the solution I told, it will work, so try it, guys. Okay, and if you have any question, you can comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, guys, and if you're new to my channel, guys, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. There is one subscribe button, guys. Just see that and click on that. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting, guys.